Even in today's video we will see how to fix the Bosch dishwasher error E6900 heating circuit fault reset and the fix steps. So the fix one, you can simple do a power reset. So turn off the dishwasher, then plug it from the power socket. Unplug it from the power socket. Then wait for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and start a cycle again. After that, you can check the heating circuit. Turn off power at the breaker, remove the lower panel, then check wire connected to the heat for burns or loose plug. After that, you can inspect the heating element. So firstly, you can disconnect the power and water supply. Access the heat under the dishwasher. Look for crack or burn marks, then replace the heater if faulty. And at last resort, you can check control board connection. Turn off power completely, then open the control panel. After that, check for loose or burnt connectors. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.